Namaskar, myself Srin Pratap Singh from India Meteorological Department. I welcome all of you to our daily weather briefing program today, that is 20th January 2023. This is the observed weather during past 24 hours. Here you can see the cold day, cold wave and cold wave and dense to very dense fog occurred over northern parts of India, especially Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, northern parts of Rajasthan, northern parts of Madhya Pradesh, and over Jammu division, Uttarakhand, Jharkhand and northeast states, also over Assam and Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura during past 24 hours. Here you can see that fog in satellite picture, it started from Pakistan to northeast India in morning hours of today. Here some visibility is there. Bihar was 25, East Rajasthan also 25, Madhya Pradesh 50, Jharkhand 50, Punjab 200, West Rajasthan 200, Jammu division 500, Uttar Pradesh also 500 and many more. This is the minimum temperature during past 24 hours reported today morning. Here you can see that minimum temperature is range between up to 10 degree over northern India, over the plains of northern India, including central India and northwest India and north part of East India also. This is the departure. Here you can see that some dotted also shows the departure is minimum in some regions. The cold wave condition is isolated pockets over Bihar and West Madhya Pradesh in one or two districts. And now you can see the maximum temperature of yesterday. It is shows between 10 to 15 degrees centigrade over plains of northwest India, including some parts of Bihar, and departure also shows negative departure minus 5.1 in entire northwest India and adjoining east, some spot of East India and central India. This is the highlight of the presentation. Dense to very dense fog likely to continue over northern India during next 2 days and reduce its intensity thereafter, and cold day to severe cold day condition also during next 2 days and decrease in intensity thereafter. And now the cold wave condition likely to prevail over Bihar and North Madhya Pradesh during next 24 hours and expand to more parts of North India during 21st to 22nd January 2024. This is the synoptic system of today. Here you can see one cyclonic circulation lies over northern parts of Madhya Maharashtra and a trough in easterly from south interior Karnataka to Vidarbha, and another cyclonic circulation lies over northern parts of Haryana in lower troposphere levels. This is the warning for fog, cold day, cold wave, ground frost during next 5 days. Here you can see that Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh is likely to expected dense to very dense fog, cold to severe cold day during next 24 hours, and red color warning also there, and it is intensity is likely to reduce from tomorrow onward. Here you can see that day 2 is orange alert for these regions and day 3 in orange over Punjab and Haryana, and day 4 onward is only yellow orange for Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. And here you can see that Punjab, especially Rajasthan, northern parts of Madhya Pradesh is likely to expected dense to very dense fog with cold day condition during next 48 to 72 hours. Thereon it reduce in their intensity. Same over northeast states. Dense fog is expected during next 3 days, and over western Himalayan region also expected dense fog in isolated pocket with cold day and ground frost over Uttarakhand during next 2 days. Other than no adverse weather warning over the country. However, you can see that from day 3 the intensity is likely to reduce over the northern plains of northwest India, and from day 4, day 5 is likely to only over Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. Thank you very much all of you to listening me. Namaskar.